Ever since we picked up the NC Miata, it's been a great car, short of one thing. And that's just been the transmission. Now we've already replaced the shifter assembly to an OEM unit from that whatever short shift kit was on it. And I also went ahead and replaced the shifter, turret fluid, and the transmission fluid with the good stuff. You guys know what I'm talking about. And there's one final piece that we need to add that is not only going to make the car more reliable in a sense, but also give us that little bit better of a pedal feel that it's really, really needing. So I'm not sure how many miles are on the clutch master and slave cylinder on this car, but I'd imagine it's probably all 186,000 miles. So I picked up the Goodwin Racing kit with the stainless steel clutch line, a new master cylinder, and a slave cylinder, along with a fresh bottle of brake fluid. And as a sponsor of the channel, I wanted to pick up a MAD Fabworx clutch pedal bracket. I paid for this, they did not send it. Hopefully you guys who won the giveaway on these got these installed and are loving them. I purchased this myself because I wanted to. It's a good unit and I want to support them just like they've supported me. So from the clutch pedal to the clutch hydraulics, we should get a much fresher and new feeling with all these parts behind me. Now, they're not incredibly hard to install. I will say with this video, it's hard to film it, but I'm gonna do my best. We're gonna jump under the car, into the engine bay, under the front dashboard, get everything out, get everything put back together, bleed the clutch, and hopefully it makes a big difference. And I think it will. The clutch pedal feels very yuck. So with that, let's jump into this. Our three main components are out: clutch pedal, master cylinder, and slave. Slave definitely has some grease that has been expelling itself from inside the rubber boot. Our master, you can tell it's been leaking because everything's a little rusty, especially on the ends of the bolts, as well as all that fuzz that gets stuck to the brake fluid. So this has definitely been leaking for a little bit. And why I always mention this to new Miata owners is that brake fluid will go onto your clutch pedal. And luckily mine doesn't look too bad. You can see right there the rust has started, but these spot welds will come off, they'll disintegrate or get cracks in the pedal itself, and you're basically left stranded. It's happened to me. I've had 2 clutch pedals break, and with these kits, with the pedal braces, it just won't happen again. So we're going to weld this up, clean it up a little bit. I already wiped everything kind of down, but it was really fuzzy, just like that. So it's looking good. I don't think I need a new clutch pedal, but now to replace it with the new stuff. Are not perfect, but they hold. It's just a flux core welder, so it's very splattery, but both of the brackets are welded on. So you know what they say, grinder and paint make me the welder I ain't. Back down on the ground, looking good as ever, might I say. I'm still absolutely loving the wheels on this thing, just really sets it off. But everything should be bled. If you guys don't have one of these power bleeders, this is just one from Amazon. It makes life so much easier than pumping the brake pedal, pumping the clutch pedal. One person job, and it takes literally 10 minutes. So I'll link this one down in the description if you want to pick it up. I'm gonna get myself cleaned up out here, and then we'll take it for a quick test drive and see how we did. So I can already say there is definitely a difference with this, and it's not just the clutch pedal brace. It's the master cylinder and the slave cylinder. And fun fact, I think the AC has stopped blowing cold in this car, so that's super fun. It's like 105 degrees out today. Stoked on that. Okay, so we'll get through this quickly. Anyways, the install took me a while. It was like 3 or 4 hours because I had to stop and make dinner, and it was just hot. I was taking my time. I think I'm a little more meticulous with things than I used to be because I don't know, I feel like I used to do this stuff faster. I've done this install like 3 times now, twice on the red car and now once on this. So it's not like it's super unfamiliar or anything, but it just took me a little bit longer. But it's something that's easy and you can do it at home, especially if you have one of those power bleeders. It is like an afternoon job for sure. But I do have you on the pedal cam, so we'll do a little test with that. There's not really much to see, but pedal cams are cool. The clutch engagement is so much smoother now. It doesn't feel like there's any point where there's extra pressure, less pressure. It's very fluid and it feels really, really good. If you are at all on the fence about replacing your master cylinder or anything like that, just do it. It's really not expensive, especially if your car has higher miles. Just replace it, replace the slave. It's, you know, it's not really a hard job, and it makes the clutch engagement feels so much better. I can still feel the bite point, but the old way that it was, like you could feel the bite point really come on. It was like almost all on or all off, but now there's just like a fluid pedal feel, which is really nice. Say too, the clutch pedal brace, it does feel stronger. It feels like it doesn't move as much. And I know with it being there, there's a confidence that I know it's not gonna break. I'm not gonna be leaving work one day and it's gonna just snap off. It's gonna stay there, be strong. It's not gonna rust out. break from those spot welds. So the longevity of the pedal is definitely much more, and that's a good feeling, especially when you drive a car daily. You just knowing that your clutch pedal isn't going to break when it's something that does happen actually quite often with these cars. It's really quite nice. But with that, there's not much else to say. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know like the maintenance videos aren't super exciting, but if you are new to Miatas and this is like maybe the first Miata you've had, this is a problem that definitely happens. So watch out for it. Check your clutch pedal. Check to see that your master cylinder is not leaking or your slave cylinder. Get them replaced because it's easy. So go down below, leave a comment, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one.